Whoa, got another package? Let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from MidwayUSA. Feel free to check them out. They have a very large variety of items. MidwayUSA. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. This appears to be the bottom of the box. So just carefully open it this way. Okay, so we have another box, some wrapping, and no manifest. So we had actually ordered a Cloud Defensive MCH Duty model HO color FDE size, full size. So let's go ahead and open this up. And let's see. Ooh, we got a big sticker. Make America Bright Again. Wow, this is really thick too. Thank you. We have the unit itself. They include a NITECORE charger and other items as well. So the box, the packaging. They include an 18650 battery specifically for the light. If you notice, it is a certain length and flat top, and I do believe this is a shielded battery as well. And I'm trying to remember which is the best way to unscrew this. I believe the head is actually better than the tail cap. I don't see any paper blocking any of the surfaces. While we're at it, let's take a look at the card here. Thank you for purchasing. And the QR code there. These are actually kind of a ND protection, so you don't have an accidental discharge. So you can see these actually have different heights to insert into the tail cap area. I use a lot of gloves, so I'm actually don't want the maximum length. Medium length might actually work best. So let's see if we can thread that in there. We have a little bit of button protrusion, so we can hit that with some mittens. And let's go ahead and see what happens. Oh, look at that. Okay, so we should have two settings. Maybe, I'm not sure. We might have to program this. Let's see. It's pretty bright either way. So there's your markings on it. See there, tail cap, yeah, clip there, O-ring seal on the tail cap there. Looks like a double O-ring for there. And it does loosen. So let's see what's going on here. How this is. Out of curiosity. Okay, so you can see the pattern there, the O-ring set, as well as the outer set here with the clip. Let's see if we can tighten that back down. Okay, so you can see there is a little bit of free float space to take into account there. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a quick look at this charger. It's like a simple 2-slot charger. Portable dual slot USB battery charger from NITECORE. So this is a separate item. It's like a validation code there. And these are compatibility with the different size of batteries. Feature set, barcode, etc. Might cover that in a separate video. You got some instructions, another QC code. Here's your USB cord, the item itself. Let's see, get these out of the bags. NITECORE logos on there. There's some interesting feeling bags too. Okay, so you can see there the porting, and you do have some indicator lights as well. You hook this up to a USB or some sort of adapter to a wall plug as well if you have that. But backtracking, kind of the kit that comes with the Cloud Defensive MCH duty. This just happens to be an FDE model. And comes with a variety of ND protectors for the tail cap. This one included a patch and the battery, as well as, again, the NITECORE rechargeable set. And these all came from MidwayUSA. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items, MidwayUSA. And taking a look at just a Cloud Defensive MCH flashlight. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curious or the Curious. Videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.